All right, boys and girls, today we're going to do what we did Monday and Tuesday. We're going to put it together and practice one more and one less. So you have to look at where the line is to know if you're doing the number that comes before or the number that comes after. So on the left-hand side, I can see that the number is before, so we're looking for the number that comes next. So one more. So one more than 34 is 35. One more than 58 is 59. One more than 87 is 88. One more than 62, 63. One more than 15 is 16. One more than 36 is 37. One more than 44 is 45. And one more than 70 is 71. Now we have to kind of change our brain a little bit and do the number that comes before. So the number that comes before 22 is 21. The number that comes before 38 is 37. What's the number that comes before 40? 39. And what's one less than 27? 26. What's one less than 51? 50. One less than 47 is 46. One less than 26 is 25. And one less than 18 is 17. All right. Good work, boys and girls. On the back, you're going to be subtracting 8. These you're doing a great job on, and I think you did a wonderful job today. Good work.